Good evening, students. Today we will discuss Chapter 7 Factorization, Class 8 Maths. Now, in this video, we will discuss various topics. So, let's start the video. Now, before we start factorization, we have to understand what is factors. So, as you can see in the screen, that a factor is when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expression, then each of these expression is called factor. For an example, if I will take 5x plus 20, which is a binomial. Now, while taking 5 common, the binomial term can be represented as 5 under bracket x plus 4. Now, for this binomial, for this term, there are two factors. Number 1 is 5 and number 2 is x plus 4. So, if we represent an algebraic expression as a product of two or more expression, then each of these expressions are called factors. I hope that you have understood. So, let's come to the definition of factorization. The definition of factorization is the process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Now, let's take the example in order to better understand the term factorization. Now, if I will take a product of two factors, for example, I have taken 3x multiplied with 4x minus 5y. Upon multiplication, it becomes 12x square minus 5xy. This whole algebraic expression has two factors, that is 4x minus 5y and 3x. When it becomes multiplied, the algebraic expression is the result. Now, upon factorization, this algebraic expression upon factorization is when I take 3x as the common from both the terms, it becomes 4x minus 5y. So, this whole process is called factorization. I hope that you have understood what is factorization. Now, let's come to today's topic. So, we will discuss in this video topic number 1, that is factorization when a common monomial factor occurs in each term. Let's take one example. If I will take 2n square plus 3n. Now, you can see in this question there are two terms, there are 2n square and 3n. It is a binomial. Now, when I take common from these two terms, I will take n. Now, the two terms can be written as 2n plus 3. Now, you can see a factor which is a monomial, that is n, is taken out from this algebraic expression. So, this is topic number 1, that is factorization when a common monomial factor occurs in each term. Now, let's come to our second topic, that is factorization when a binomial is common. When a binomial is common. Factorization when a binomial is common. Let's take one example. If I will take 5a 2x minus 3y plus 2b 2x minus 3y. 5a 2x minus 3y plus 2b 2x minus 3y. I have taken one example. Now you can see here that these two binomials are common. So if I will take the common binomials, then here it left only 5a and here it will left 2b. So this will be my answer. So this is an example of factorization when a binomial is common. Now let's come to our third topic, that is factorization by grouping. Factorization by grouping. Now let's take one example. A square plus BC plus AB plus AC. Now you can see here that I have taken one example in which the terms are A square plus BC plus AB plus AC. Now what I will do, my first step is to arrange these terms. So by arranging you can say rearranging. By rearranging we get A square plus AB plus AC plus BC. Now I have arranged all these terms. Now I will take common from these two and these two. So from these two I will take A as common. Now the terms becomes A plus B. And from these two terms I will take common C. So it becomes A plus B. Now you can see that by taking common A from these two terms and by taking common C from these two terms, my binomial, two binomial, that is A plus B here also and here also A plus B becomes common. So I will take common A plus B. I will take common A plus B from both these terms. So here it left A and here C. So this will be my answer. So this is the factorization by grouping. Let's take one more example. 1 plus A plus AC plus A square C. Now you can see here you don't have to rearrange it. It is already rearranged. So I will take common from these two terms 1. So it becomes 1 plus A. And from these two terms I will take common AC. So it becomes 1 plus A. So you can see that 1 plus A here also and 1 plus A here also are common. So I will take 1 plus A common, these two binomials. So it left 1 plus AC and this will be my answer. So this is factorization by grouping. I hope that you have understood the topic, you have understood the concept, and you can easily solve exercise 7A R.S. Agarwal class 8 mathematics. Thank you students. Have a nice day.